I don't file paper. What is the see-through one name?
The plastic one.
So I eat me all day, I wrap my body like a mommy, you know. Rub up and then just wrap my body. And then just wrap my body and then just sweat and say me can sweat off somebody color and just wrap my body.
You know, my brother named Chevy, when bleach and wrap himself and put on sweatsuit.
Yes, I can wrap my body and my brown in a couple of days. I wrap my body, my skin is stubborn. I wrap my body and then by sun I can brown. The bleaching cream and here 911.
Pussy Clark, right away.
The bleaching cream I love and here 911, you brown in that time.
Yeah, man. So when Chevy used to bleach, that they mean to wrap himself and put on sweatsuit.
Yes, so that me talk, I say Ray, she come and talk about way, my brown.
And sleep. Him used to sleep in front of the oven, turn on the oven and lie down there.
Cling wrap. Yes, see she said that the cling wrap. So I can rub on that and then just wrap from the neck go down. Can see that the neck brown?
No, but I tell you, say him used to sleep in front of the oven. You know, kind of more sweat. Him sleep in front of the oven.
No, Florida hat, man. I never do I put on one up of clothes and go there. I say, oh, whether them a Jamaica with that, you know.
Yeah.
Just put on there. And with the next clothes when them running now, right near the sauna. But the sauna problem. Yeah. And then I drink Cersei tea, let me tell you now. So when I drink the Cersei on the bleaching come out good. Because the Cersei purge out the blood and purge out everything and Cersei good for your skin. So I'm drink up my Cersei and then rub on my Robins. Yeah.
Cersei tea?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, Cersei good for you. They can't drink too much still. Because you got a doctor with them, you can't find anything wrong with you. So you just drink a little Cersei and make something there. Cool, like my face with the cake soup. Wait.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
The cartel of Michael Jackson, me and Michelle Jackson. Cool, like me wash my face with the cake soup. Cool, like me wash my face with it. I mean, I face with the cake soup. Cool, like me wash my face with it. I mean, I love you. So take care of your money.
Shut and laugh, have a buzz.
I love a place. What you talking about?
What you talking about? It's lava place.
Lava place. What you talking about? But like me a cartel lion, take me a cartel lion. Wash my face with the cake soap. Make up on yourself because most of me I chat too much, but I chat out of a nice clean mouth because the boy never fuck me in there yet. Say, take a breath check. Fresh.
Sickla. Until them say anytime I enter your start, you do the tattoo.
Yes, and I'm start so good. I got tattoo one from my ears to right this up to my mouth and with the drip they go on and then make something. That means if you're cocking us up with the sue me. Cool, like me wash my face with me. Yeah, lice about not insure. Yeah, that was sad. So me I'm a little brown self and the girl give me the bleaching cream and then I add some little more stuff in it and this is the result. So you know say Sunday cocaine white, all white, yeah. Everything.
Open that don't try go overdo and burn up your foot, you know.
No man, me not rub the face no more. Me just do the foot them.
Okay.
This alright, man. This alright. When they see me know they think say me have some money, but they never know. But this alright. Yeah. And then the little man just come in and me inbox me and just beg a up out there.
Oh Lord. And I can't.
No, that listen, that time me there Jamaica, you go high school and you have pen pal, right people are fine. Me now look no pen pal blood clot because Jamaica dollar US are 140 to 1. You understand me? 140 Jamaican dollar to 1 US. You understand me? Yeah. The currency not stay too good right now. So I want that sold that my inbox with the era code 876 blood clot. I cannot help you.
Can't tell that.
Yes, yeah, what I said that which party like you know we can talk about blood clot for me look it here. Talk about which blood clot for this. Me talk to phone right now to lava. And 5,000 add people talk about phone to you for half. Me not look friend. Me not wait name? Pen pal. Yeah, we don't want to pen pal.
Sir, if you still up on the live, you know, take your time and just, you know,
see there's somebody say $148 today. See $148.
Yeah, man. Come out our DM.
Yeah, man, that's so in my inbox. We never have time for mine, man. And if you got mine, while come on there, I say the man, they too, I come up in the boat, can be friend. He might be nice and pretty, and we can put him on the dresser over there, so. And he walk up and down in the boxers, and I walk up and down and smoke my cigarette and look for him through the car, and I so. And say, yes, a good look, I walk up and down in the blood clot house. But they have sexy, and them blood clot.
Well on the Blakks. Stay there.